welcome again to another video, and this is going to be an awesome one because tonight we are going to the track. Finally, the weather outside is beautiful. As you guys can see, it's nice and sunny outside, and we are going to see what this G8 can do. For the first time, we're going to go to the track, run it, and see if that 685 horsepower can get this thing moving down the quarter mile. Now, I'm thinking that it's probably going to be a mid to low 11-second pass. I would love a 10-second pass. 10.99 would be perfect. But I just don't see it happening, especially not the first time out and on the low boost setting. So, comment down below, what do you guys think it's going to make? Will it run a 10-second or will it be a low 11? I would love to see you guys' comments and just put it down below. Let me know. It's been a long time since I've actually been able to drag race with the car, so I'm really excited, and I'm hoping I do better than the last time I went out with this car, which was when I ran an 11.7 at 121, and I did that without the new 3600 stall. So my 60 foot was horrible at 2.2 60 foot. So I'm hoping I can get that 60 foot down and run a low 11-second pass, which I know this car can do. Being the first time out there, hopefully I'll be able to get a couple runs in. This track is notorious for only giving you 1 or 2 runs in before the end of the night. So hopefully I can get at least 2, maybe 3, so that I can be able to, have some chances in case I do something wrong or, it burns out or something. But with these meaty 305s, I think we'll be just fine. I don't know that we'll have to worry too much about any traction issues. Let me go ahead and give you guys a nice cold startup of the Pontiac G8. Guys, so hopefully everything goes well and we run a really good time, and I'll see you guys when we get to the track. What's going on, guys? We are at the track. Gonna let the G8 cool down for a bit, and hopefully it does a good job. It is empty. It is perfect weather to go out and drag race. There is nobody at the staging lines, so hopefully it stays like that so I can get a couple runs in, and hopefully run that 10. I would love to get that 10, but if not, we'll just have to enjoy that 11. But hopefully she runs good and I'm able to drive it back home. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, but I'm about to go to the staging lanes, and hopefully everything goes well. Hopefully I don't break anything. Still a little warm, but it is what it is. We'll find out what it does. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. Holy moly. Whoa. It survived, guys. It made it. Woo! It made it through. Let's go get this time slip and find out what we got. Holy shit, guys. That felt really good. That fourth shift kinda did not want to shift too well. Sorry for the bad lighting, but yeah, that shit felt good for a first pass. I don't know. Let's see what we got, guys. Oh god. Thank you. All right, what did we? 11.6. Oh, all right, guys. So looks like we got some work cut out for us. The 60 foot was great. Let's see how much the car weighs. There it is, 4250. 4250. But yeah, looks like, I think we're getting pretty hot towards the back end. I'm not sure. We got to look at the logs, but definitely was falling flat on its face towards the back end. I didn't cool it down and run it down. I had it running the whole time. But an 11.6, which is better. It's actually better than the last time. Last time it was an 11.7, so it's getting there. The 60 foot was much better, but my mile per hour is just not. The mile per hour wasn't there. I did mile per hour a lot faster last time. It seemed like it didn't want to go in the fourth, so we'll just check the logs out and find out what's going on. But I felt really good though. I felt really good. Well guys, there it is, an 11.6 at 119. My 60 foot was much better than it was the last time I came with a 2.2, but the top end is just dying out on the top end, so something's happening. It's probably heating up and pulling a bunch of time, and we'll be able to check out the logs and see what happens there. But so far 11.6, it's improvement, but not where we want to be. Alright guys, that was the second pass. I stalled it about 2,000 RPM. I guess we'll see what that time was, but it'll be interesting.
Good.
Alright, cool. Alright, let's see what this time is. Thank you. Alright guys, we were the right side. Oof. So that was a 12.6 at 104. Definitely not what we were looking for, but I did find something right before when I was checking everything. And you guys won't believe what the hell I'm about to show you guys, but I believe it will be a good reason of why this car did not run what it was supposed to run. All right guys, check this out. So let me get the flash going. All right guys, so obviously that was not a great pass. It was a 12, a lot slower than last time, but I think I know what the issue is. I saw this before I got in the staging lanes, but I figured here we're gonna try it. But I figured, hey, why not? Let's just give it a go and see what it does. But let me show you guys. Do you guys see that there? That is a huge hole, very big hole right there. So basically the car had a huge boost hole and therefore didn't make any boost. And I will be checking the data logs to make sure and see and basically back up that story where there wasn't any boost. But for now, we got a big hole and I got to replace that coupler. Luckily I have one at the house, and I guess just come back and try it again next time. But for now, this is what we got to deal with. This is what we got. So 11.6, not bad, but I think we can do a lot better, especially if we can get that coupler fixed. Well guys, we are back home. The car was able to drive itself back home, which is a win in my book. But we did not get the times that we were kind of hoping we would get, and I figured out why. So I have gone ahead and changed out and put a whole new coupler, and I've actually done and put an offset 90-degree coupler to try to give me some more space here and clearance, and hopefully that is more than enough. I think it should be. But I wanted to show you guys exactly why my times were really bad, and here you go. You guys see this? This hole was created by the tensioner pulley. The piping makes a U-turn, and it was really close by, and I guess with the full throttle pull, the motor moves and the pipe kind of moves as well, and it's somehow it ended up getting cut, and you can see it's a huge hole. So I'm surprised the car even ran 11.6 with a hole like this. So that's just really promising. It's really promising. So I'm excited again, just to kind of cap things off and basically recap the night. Took the car to the track, ran it twice. In the first pass, it ran an 11.6 at 119, and basically cut the coupler right after the blow-off valve. So we ended up finishing the run at less boost, only 10 psi max according to the logs, in versus 13, and still running 11.6 at 119. So that is very promising. Second run, I noticed that it was slightly gashed, but I said, let's send it, let's try it, see what it does, and it only ran at 12.6. It actually cut and made this hole bigger. Obviously, when the more air goes blowing by and this thing gets heated, the rubber gets heated. This is actually cheap coupler. Do not recommend the Spectre couplers. I thought they were going to be nice, came with all the clamps and everything, but they're not 2-ply, nothing. Very cheap. I would not recommend you guys run these things, especially not in a place where it's going to be really hot. But anyways, got the car back running good, should be ready, and hopefully the weather holds up and we can go back again and try it next time to run that low 11, possibly maybe high 10. But until next time, guys, hope you guys are doing great. Please like, comment, let me know what you think. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, because I've got a bunch of stuff planned and a lot of new videos that will be coming up. So you guys do not want to miss that. Until next time, guys, hope you guys are doing well. Have a good one.